It's important to choose the right digital multimeter, as these devices have many applications in industrial environments. The FLUKE28II industrial multimeter has measurement functions, troubleshooting features, and the resolution and accuracy to solve industrial problems on motor drives, in plant automation, power distribution, and electromechanical equipment. The 289 has the same functionality as the 875, with a higher level of accuracy and the ability to log. Some working environments come with a high chance of contamination. The 28II is the best choice for these situations. If you want to define, based on temperature, where to do measurements, we recommend the 279FC, the only multimeter with a built-in thermal imager. It offers the ability to remotely read measurements via your smartphone.